Splashstop, the most efficient way to provide drinks splash and spill free. Existing solutions can be inefficient or hard to recycle, and they don't always work. This effective paper cover is easily applied to the cup with the lid. Splashstop keeps drinks secure in transit. It's completely splash and spill free, a much better experience for your customer. Its lightweight profile allows for easy removal and recycling. Upgrade to Splashstop Sip and your customers can drink from the cup without even removing the lid. Add Splashstop to your cups and reduce your packaging spend. UK made, fully recyclable and available now.